Here are two carriers at our family friend's house that I'm here at the backyard. Scrolls, Copeland-Scrolls, and Gentech fan motors. They're both from 2013. They are both 3 tons. So, yeah, and a tube-later fan. Here are the lines. Has a Midwest disconnect. Model number CA13NA036-C. It's a 3-ton Copeland-Scroll. It's freezing up here. There's a radio station all the way up that mountain. And this is also a 3-ton, and the same model number, CA13NA036-C. Okay. I'm already doing it. It's just my dad and my uncle. There's a scroll. So, thank you for watching. We're just at a family friend's house. And, bye.